Party poopers watching bloopers, keep 'em in their stupors. Reality has been blitzed. Waiting for people to have some fits. People forgot how to do their math. They forgot how to do their addition. Blinded by vain superstition. Following vain traditions of man. Don't you know they own your clan? No, there's no words on the ceiling. Things I'm always thinking of filling. Cat thinks I'm crazy, both think I'm lazy. My vision isn't so hazy as it seems. Things come to me in dreams. Oh, yeah, dreams. I see them divided on different teams. The great divide, that's how they glide. Oh. The prophet's gone mad once again, and it's not even 10 p.m. Idiocy continues to reign. Better wear a big umbrella. Yeah. Oh, they don't know if they're a girl or a fella. All their heads are starting to swell. What do you think of that? Just another rambling song, right? I'm going out today. I'm gonna pick some weeds. I'm gonna be looking for the weed police. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, let's go.